Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to cancel the Linkvertise Premium free trial, premium subscription free trial, then this video is for you. Sometimes Linkvertise won't allow you to cancel the free trial, or there is no option to cancel the free trial. That could be your premium features for the premium plan or subscription on Linkvertise. What you can do is you have to wait until this free plan period ends. Then you can do is whenever they are asking for the payment for the free trial, there is no auto payment system. They will ask you to pay for the premium feature, then you can actually decline their proposals, or otherwise you can do is sign into your premium account that you use to get the premium plans free trial. Then click here, then you on the left side click on the settings, then press the three dots to the side of manage subscription and select cancel subscription. Then follow the instruction to cancel your account. For example, you will go through the verification process. After completing the verification process, you will be able to cancel the Linkvertise any subscription, but you actually can cancel the Linkvertise free premium subscription, the free trials actually. So that's pretty much all, team. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.